Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel Cyrus Creations, and I trust God you all are doing great. Today I have bring another sewing project. This is a wedding project. I'm going to teach you how to create this medium size or any size wedding robe out of an old wedding dress. That dress was, I will be putting picture on a side, that dress was a 28 years old, and the mother had used that dress and she wanted to create a wedding robe for her daughter to gift her. You can see the front look very nice. We have made front low, like a high, sorry, front is high and the back is low with all the embroidered patches. They are beads, nets, embroidered laces and patches. This project is fun, especially I'm going to teach you technique, because if you notice the dress from the side, it's had a full circle. So taking straight panels from the circle is the hardest part to do, but you're gonna learn in this video everything step by step, and I hope this is going to help in your sewing tips and techniques. Before heading to our today's sewing project, if you're new to Cyrus Creations, just go ahead and subscribe. You're gonna learn here sewing, cooking and your projects. If you already are a regular subscriber, I'm sure you're already enjoying all those wonderful projects over here. So let's go ahead and start it. So here finally I was able to cut all the panels. Cutting was complicated because of the circle panel, so I was not able to record everything, but here are I'm able to cut some straight panel. That's our front. I have cut two panels, and the pattern I have a cut from my previous wedding robe, which is easy. You can take any your size. This is a medium size, and length is for 5 and tall girl. And we are, because the pattern, we have a back a lot of thing going on, beautiful embroideries, beads, net patches. So because of this beautiful pattern, we don't want to waste it. If you notice, I try my best to bring in a center this was the main circle in a center of the wedding, and also try to have this inner sides, and the top we will be able to attach the sleeves. So because of the design on the back of the robe, we ended up to decide to have a high and low. Front is high, as you can see, it's just like above the knees, and the back is down long. And also I have attached leave along the bottom lace on a side, but also I have leave extra on a side. So when I will be attaching my binder on a robe at the front, that's how something we will be wrapping around this binder. Okay, I hope that will make sense. So we prepare this stuff ahead on both sides, and from this side when I will be stitching, that will be go inside. I just cut a little extra to stay safe. And then I also have prepared this beautiful belt, fitting belt. If you notice, I have attached these beautiful tassels, got them on Amazon, and they turn on pretty so cool. So I will show you the next. I already have teach you how to make these. So the fold for the binder on a robe, I have cut 4 inches and then folded, and half inch both sides have a fold inside. But for the belt for fitting, I had to cut a 3 inches, and we have did a half inch stitches, and then we have 1 full inch fold on both sides. Okay, that's it. And then I'm gonna prepare 2 small loops to add on a side for fitting. Okay, and here I have also prepare my sleeves already. This lace I had attached afterward because I was having a so hard time to find a plain piece, so we were ended up finding from the shirt backside of the wedding dress. So sleeves are done, they all just have to attach. But if I show you the seams from inside, so we have stitched first all from the right side and like a 1/4 inch, and then take inside half inch and have all stitches protective, so we will have no worry to do overlock or anything. You said how nicely this looks. So these are all the details I have right now for to prepare this robe. The basic things are done. Sleeves are prepared, the belt is prepared, my binder is prepared. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna attach the shoulder, and after attaching the shoulder, then I will sew from the sides. We can attach the sleeves, or before attaching the sleeves I can attach the binder. And I have cut extra binder just in a case, because it was so hard to get long length, so I was ended up have this joint in a center. Okay, so the center one I will be adding on the back of the neck, which will be less noticeable, and my front panels will be having a more straight, the binder at the front. So that's it. I guess now we are ready to start sewing on our sewing machine. Let's go ahead and start it. So here I'm going to attach the shoulder together, and if you notice I have right sides outside. First we're gonna do the 1/4 inch stitch, and then we're gonna do the half inch stitch from inside. But I also have attached this ribbon on the center of the shoulder. I tuck inside. This is a 15-inch long. It's like a 1/4 inch wider. This is just to protect your bra straps. It's optional if you want to, but I thought this is very helpful with the many dresses technique, so I'm adding these on both sides as well. So let's start sewing now. Okay, now it's time to take stitch from inside the half inch, which will be protecting all our seams from outside. I'm going to iron it so I have a crispy, nice, fold. And I will show you the next. And now we are stitching from inside, and I have increased the fold length. It's a half inch, just to make sure all the stitches from front fabric, they are inside of the fold. This is pretty much, and if I show you from front, see how nicely this look, and inside all the seams are protective. Let's done with the other side as well, and then I will show you the next. So the next, we can attach the binder on both the neckline and front full panels. In that way we are done with the center, and then we can work on the sleeves and a side, and we are pretty close to, you know, getting done with our project. Stay tuned. So I have opened my binder from wrong side, and then I will be flipping this binder on outer side to have a neat stitch on the top. And now I'm just going to do the top stitch from the front side, and also I have add this ribbon here on a one side panel, and the one ribbon I will be adding inside of fitting side to tie from inside loops. So let's start sewing on this side, and then I will show you the finished look. So this is almost final look done. All I just have to add loops on a side for this fitting belt, which I forget, but we're still gonna add on the side. And also I have to hand stitch, blind hand stitch on a side of this low panel. It's a little tricky because the panel was circle cut, and it doesn't give me like a straight falling from side, but still we're gonna keep making it work by steam iron, you know. But so far I'm liking the look. It's look very nice, you know. The front is half and the back is low, and I like the neat stitches on my binder. And if you notice, see that this joint is in a center, so with the hair and all that, that will be on the back, not a big deal, but at least our front is a straight you know, binder, and that's the nitty pattern, nice pattern on the back as well. I have also added a lace on the sleeves. The requirement was to have a half sleeve, which I did cut half sleeve, but with the lace they are giving little length because this lace have a beading, and if I add little above here on a half sleeve, you know, a little up, it's gonna give a lot of rashes to my client. It's not a comfortable lace from like over 30 years. They mostly have used the glue, you know. So I will ask her if she want me to remove. I can remove the lace, but so far I'm liking lace on the sleeves as well. So this is the final. Thank you so much for watching this special wedding organization project. As you can see, this project turned out very pretty. I especially love the way the tassels attached with this string for fitting, and also how we were able to create a very simple look from the front to have a high above the knees length, but the back is very adorable. With all the patches, we didn't waste any embroidery. Even the embroidery is on the side of the underarm as well. And then I also have used the lace on the sleeves. So this project is absolutely very special. If you like this wedding organization or this wedding robe, please feel free to give me feedback. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share with your family and friends so many people can learn about sewing, cooking, and your projects. I love you all. God bless you all. Be safe wherever you are, and have always abundant life.